Good evening, people. This is Apia Mensa of Apodels Multimedia. This channel is found on YouTube. It has a purpose. The purpose is basically focused on the hearing impaired. I mean the deaf ones, those who cannot hear, those who usually use their hands to communicate information amongst themselves, and also to interpreters, to be interpreted to other hearing people. Please, if you have a family member, a friend, a wife, a husband who unfortunately has become a deaf or is a deaf or hearing impaired, kindly encourage them to go to this channel and learn more. When hearing impaired ones, I mean the deaf ones, go to this channel, Apodels Multimedia. Apodels, Apodell''S. Apodels Multimedia is found on YouTube. It has a lot of purposes there, but among its purposes that is focused there is for the deaf. Yes, a lot of information is broken down to the level of the deaf ones to help them understand. So, one would say, why are you now speaking? If the channel, how are you now speaking now? Of course, I want you, the one who hears, to listen and also make sure that you get this information to the hearing impaired ones, I mean the deafs, so that they would be abreast, updated with information going on in and around the world. COVID-19 era, very, very dangerous. Imagine you have a family member who will be updated on this and be protected and stay safe. Wouldn't you be happy? So therefore, I encourage you to tell them to visit Apodels Multimedia on YouTube for more. Thank you.